Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions. You must be an admin or have delegated approver rights because IFHRMS restricts group creation. Once confirmed, gather department codes, employee ID, and the intended approval levels so you won't interrupt the flow. Now log into IFHRMS, navigate to Administration, then Approval Groups. Click Create New Group. Name it with a clear unit prefix and short description. This gets you into the form where you define members, level order, and default routing without delay. Once in the group form, define the approval hierarchy. Add level 1, level 2, and so on because order determines routing. Next, add members using employee ID, designate a primary approver and at least one backup to avoid stalls. Make sure to set escalation timeouts and auto-approve rules where business policy allows, so items escalate after X days. Also map the group to relevant document types or transaction codes. Save drafts frequently. It prevents data loss while you verify sequences and permissions. Now finalize by saving and activating the approval group, then link it to the appropriate workflows or document categories so routing begins immediately. Once activated, you must run a test request end-to-end through every level to confirm notifications. Action buttons and escalation behave as expected. If something fails, check role mappings first, then verify member employee ID and backup assignments, and finally review escalation timeouts and auto-approve rules. Correcting one of those typically resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.